the Earth. Magnificent in every corner, every angle, from the highest peak to the deepest valley, and every location in between, past and present. Because we spend the majority of our life on land, it's easy to forget just how much ocean there really is, and how important it is that we keep it healthy. Our oceans represent over 99% of the habitable space on this planet. Can you imagine? The land above the ground that we know and live in today is a mere 1% of our planet's habitable space. Our oceans are home to countless species, and they are all essential to life on Earth. To protect our planet, we must protect our oceans. While we enjoy the sparkling world above the waves, an amazing and dramatic dance of life is taking place below, a mosaic of unique places and astonishing living things. There are over 230,000 different species recorded in the oceans thus far. Some animals are too small to see with the naked eye, while others, like the blue whale, are so big they seem mythical. There are those species that build structures so enormous that they can be seen from space. Coral reefs cover less than 1% of the ocean's surface, but provide a home for 25% of all marine species. A vast number of these reefs are dying. These amazing living structures, which serve as the cradle for innumerable species, are in danger of irretrievable loss. Beneath the waves lays the great majority of Earth's diversity. This world, often beyond our view, is the very engine of life. The geology of this underwater realm contains the deepest canyons and the highest mountains on Earth. There are more active volcanoes underwater than on land. This landscape and the animals that live within its reaches have more to do with daily life than you may know. The oceans control the weather on the planet. They regulate our climate and provide us with food, water, and air. Believe it or not, oceans produce half of the oxygen that we breathe. But that's not all. Scientists are searching seas for cures to disease. New antibiotics, painkillers, and anti-cancer drugs have been discovered in the ocean's depths. With countless marine species unstudied, and more being discovered every day, we need to protect our oceans before we lose those potential resources. The oceans you see today are not what they once were. We are at an extremely critical time, a time of new realization and new understanding. Most of our reefs are endangered, which translates to 25% of the marine species that are also being threatened. You may not see the effects under the surface of the water, but they affect all of us, now and in the future. Pollution, climate change, decades of overfishing, and habitat destruction have ravaged our oceans, reducing the diversity and abundance of life. This is why Holland America Line and Marine Conservation Institute are working together to help protect and recover our oceans. Everything we do makes a difference. As your journey aboard unfolds, watch here for more information about our oceans. This series of short videos will entertain and educate you in ways we can all work together to ensure the precious resources of our oceans for further generations. Thank you for joining Marine Conservation Institute and Holland America Line for this glimpse beneath the surface.